Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, yeah, bottom of range, solid red bar to finish the week off last week, and as far as I'm concerned, that we are right close to the bottom of the range, not exact, but never is an exact science. But this 15,000 area is obviously the area that we need to pay attention to. So I just want to get that one there. So 50,000 is the area to pay attention to. Look at the diversions here. We've got a double bottom here with price and then oscillators giving us a higher low. So just below the moving averages at the moment, oscillators not giving us any indication. We do have a bit of noise coming out of the Russian scenario at the moment, and that is just pointing towards a bit of a ceasefire. So there has been a bit of a jump in most of the futures market, DAX futures market as well. If I just go have a look, I think more than likely would have jumped as well. Just give me 1 sec and I will get there. But for all intents and purposes at the moment, I think we need to be a little bit cautious. There is another bit of structure just above us here. You can see there it is there. You can see we've had a bit of a rejection off there. So DAX futures at the moment is up 0.4%, so 15,100 at the moment. Now, is it going to hold? It's a very big, a big question at the moment to see whether that's going to hold, but we need to rely on politicians at the moment. So for me, that's the current trend line, and you can see how far away that is from anything. So there is a swing low there at 15,130. Wouldn't surprise me to see us gap up to that area and then come back down. If we start forming a base and start moving to the upside, it's probably well worth getting onto the 15-minute and seeing if there's an opportunity there. But look how far away we are from the moving averages. So obviously I want to see a break of those moving averages, and when they're this far apart, it becomes very difficult. So yeah, I'm not really keen being short down here, just because we are bottom of range. So that's just a recipe for disaster, or a recipe for pain, should I rather say. So I would rather be looking for shorts higher up until we break some structure to the higher side. So even if we get to the top of this trend line, worth taking a shot at a short there with a tight stop for a move back to the downside. If it forms a higher low, then we have some structure forming for a move back to the upside. But until one of those scenarios happens, you need to be cautious. Don't want to be jumping in short down here, not with oscillators looking like they are right now, and 15 minutes not giving us much indication just yet, and there are a few little gaps to the downside here as well. So don't be surprised, we'll probably sort of gap up to this area here at 15,130, somewhere around there, then bounce around, maybe break through this, find some support there, and then your next target to the upside will be there. But I emphasize and stress that it is scalps. That's against the trend. The trend is down at the moment, so if we do reject this area, that would be a decent area to be short. 15,220 for a move back down. If one of these levels holds us up, then that's a potential turn that could be happening. But until that happens, trend is down. Ignore the noise for now. You're looking for pullbacks, you're looking to sell into this, and you're looking to take profit around this 1500 area, because that's just the way it's been for so long. So it's going to take a lot to break through that, should I rather say. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.